the weather's not ideal. Looks like it's gonna rain, but the great news is yesterday we got all the painting done, and it's an exciting notion. We've got a couple like touch-up areas, which is not a big deal. That's something that you can do relatively fast, but the paint itself, it's looking pretty good. So today we need to get some sheet metal down at Lowe's, because if you could see this gap right here, this is not acceptable. What this is essentially a door, a window to someone else's storage unit, which we don't want. So we're gonna be going to Lowe's or a metal company and buying some more panels, and I will cut sections of the panel to be able to actually secure each individual unit. I think we've got 3 or 4 that we need to install. So we got to measure that up, count them up, see how many panels we actually need, and then go from there. Looks like we only need 3 sections, but we already have a section, so we only need 2 of those sections. So let's measure it out, get them built. All right, looks like we need 2 8-foot sections. We need 2 8-foot sections of sheet metal, wall metal sides to get the job done. Should be pretty easy, I think. Great news, we got the metal. Super sharp, buddy. side. Now, hurry up, run. Created a nice little wind tunnel. That was terrifying. Thanks, buddy. Is that scary?
Yeah. But I have no idea what this is and that is. I guess this used to be a hat.
Exhilarating time. Now, we gotta go on the other side and install the rails for that unit. We're gonna bolt on the rails and then we'll install the panels on this side of the unit.
How are we going on the other side?
I'll show you.
The door?
Yeah, we're gonna close this door first. So if you notice up here, there's some rails that are not in a fixed position, and that's the reason. So that's the other wall. So we're gonna take these down and bolt them to the center partition of the building, and then we'll be able to build. Then we'll be able to attach the metal barrier, making this 2 10 by 12 units instead of one 10 by 24 foot unit. So that's what we're gonna do now. And that's how you put up a self-storage wall. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
Very dusty.
Yes, very good.
Thanks for your help today, buddy. I appreciate it.
And, I mean, you did a pretty good job. Thanks for your help.
All right, so in addition to all of that nonsense, Kaylin picked up some 3-inch numbers to identify the units. You don't want people going in the wrong units because, well, then how do you stay organized? 1 through 21 is how many units we're going to be dealing with.
Got a package, 2 packages.
Got some packages. This is a weird version of mail time. No one actually sent us anything. We had to purchase these items, but... Oh, we got some new shoes. Ah! So, got some new Ultras. Okay.
I like those.
They smell pretty good. They're very orangey. Okay, it matches my sweatshirt.
Can I see? I like your sweats.
They're like all-terrain style ultra running shoes. Super wide toe base.
And let's take the wood out.
I was always a big Hoka fan, but for whatever reason, Hokas lately have just been not, my foot's just not done well in them, so.
What do we got?
Got some BPN G1M Sport electrolyte drink. Oh, sorry, my bad. My bad.
Oh!
What'd you do that for?
Moors everywhere.
Anyways, then we got some goos. This is like energy gel for when you're out on a long run.
It's s'more flavored.
I think that one's apple. What? I didn't get the s'mores one. Now it's time to use some of these products and go for a little training run. Do I run in the new shoes?
Yes.
Caitlin, do I run in the new shoes or stick to the old ones?
I would run in them since your feet are hurting in the old ones.
That's true. I've developed a large... Alright. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.